Titles tell you what someone does, but they rarely tell you who she truly is. Behind every title is a journey of courage, doubt, resilience, and belief. This Women's Month, we celebrate women who are more than the title.
I would say that always be yourself, be caring, be loving. Just do what you want to without hurting anyone.
When I look around me, I definitely am seeing a lot more women, and I'm just really happy to see that there are a lot more women in positions of leadership. But women are really pushing the boundaries and coming out.
I've started from Air France KLM, QR, Cathay, Turkish Cargo, now with Emirates. I think I've worked with best of the carriers, and that really shaped me the way I am today. I think the industry is really open to idea of having women. It's another level, honestly speaking. I can't put it in words, but it's a way we can push ourselves to another threshold and keep rising high.
Things are evolving. People are looking at things from different perspectives. I think women are also coming out, talking, having the courage. I think which all of us can do is probably have equality. There's no gender big, no gender small, but I think opportunities are there, which all depends on who wants to take it and how one wants to take it.
Things have changed drastically, I would say, in terms of opportunities, in terms of the knowledge base that can be provided, in terms of society's way of looking at a girl. And actually, when I started, career world was not made for women. So that has changed. Whether it is your daughter, sister, wife, or your colleague or friend, for a woman, what you really require in the office or in the workplace is safety, dignity, decorum, and chances to move ahead. It's about 12 years late. So the initiative is wonderful. It has sort of given us a platform to get more and more women together. We are all there. We've always been there. It's nothing new, but it's good that we have some common place to merge together, to talk, to think together, and to do together, and to show ourselves, what we are capable of.
When I started off, we didn't have women in operations. We didn't have women going to the cargo complexes. We just had two women customs brokers who were doing more of the sea part of it. So when I joined in, people didn't really know how to. The acceptance was easy because of my lineage. But the fact is that now we have so many more women customs brokers. They are owners. They are at the forefront. They know operations. They are managing 360 degrees. They're not just for proxy. So it's their own thing.
I have my dream for our vision. Vision means we hope in the whole world that we can work together, we can link together, we can grow together. We should embrace the diversity of the world. Yeah. We should embrace the diversity. Everybody should be professional.
And this is just the beginning. In the coming days, we bring you the stories, journeys, and voices behind the titles.